Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make these apple dumplings my way. I decided to do it this way instead of the way everyone else is doing it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. These are the ingredients you're going to need. Some cinnamon, nutmeg, the apple pie mix. You can buy the brand that you prefer, but this is the brand that was available to me. The cinnamon and the nutmeg is actually optional if you don't want added flavor to your apples. So I'm gonna dump my apple pie mix into a greased pan. I'm gonna add the cinnamon, nutmeg, some ground ginger, and I'm gonna bake it off in the oven just to give it a little head start. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this step. If you want to add more sugar at this point, you can, but I'm choosing not to because I am gonna use sugar on the bread. So these are the biscuits I chose to go with. You can use the brand or the kind that you prefer. I'm gonna cut my biscuits into quarters, so each biscuit should give you 4 pieces, once down the middle and again one more time down, and you should have 4 small pieces just like I have here. And you want to continue cutting them, and I actually used the entire can of biscuits. So to the bowl, I'm going to add my brown sugar just like this, and basically all the spices that I used on the apples, which is the nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger. And you want to mix this up. And you know, I just wanted to say, is this the best dessert since sliced bread? No. But is it delicious? Yes. Is it, is it going to take you where you need to go? Yes. Is it cheap to make? Yes. Can you make this with your kids? Yes. So I highly recommend it. That was butter I tossed on top of the biscuits, by the way. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. You want to add the biscuit mixture on top of the apples once they're out the oven. And you want to pop it all back in the oven for about 30 minutes. You want to drizzle some butter right on top. And then, yes, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. It came out crusty. It came out delicious and gooey, surprisingly. Very gooey. So I'm gonna plate it up. So I decided to serve this up with some ice cream, of course. What else are you gonna put this with? Like, seriously? So this is what it looks like, you guys. It was so good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple, cheap recipe. Bye, you guys.